Welcome to the Luxe for Guide app. According to the brand requirements. After logging in the Luxe for Guide app, you can see the brands you are compliance for. Then you can schedule a visit with the brand. First, select the brand you want to cooperate with. Go to the homepage of the brand. You can see the latest news and offers about them. Click on the icon in the menu bar at the top left and select Visit. To book a new visit, you can click on the plus sign at the bottom right. If the brand offers different cooperative stores, you can choose the place and time of your visit according to the needs of customers. After confirming the time and place of your visit, click on Save and Continue. You need to upload the list of tourists before you go to the store. You can do this in 2 ways. 1. Manually enter a list. Or 2. Send a list photo or file. Click Add a tourist. Here, you can enter information such as each visitor by entering one by one. As with the upload file, you can take pictures directly, or select Photo Library, or Documents to retrieve photos or files already existing on your smartphone. Click Save. Click on the rooming list to send a photo or file. If the number of visitors is too much, you can directly take a photo of it, upload the list of tourists from the travel agency, or the list of tourists you prepared. If you have previously booked a visit, and already entered the visitor's information using the first method, you can select this icon to import the last visit list. Finally, click Send to the luxury house, and the visiting plan will be completed. If you are a personal shopper or a buyer, you can add yourself as a visitor in the list of visitors, and don't need to enter your customers' informations. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions during using the application. The Luxe for Guide team is at your service.